Hi everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to change your Vagaro appointment notifications and reminders. Appointment and reminder notifications help businesses and service providers stay informed and on schedule for upcoming appointments. Today, I'll show you how to change your Vagaro appointment notifications and reminders on Vagaro Pro. To configure this on Vagaro Pro, select More, Settings, underneath Booking, select Email and Text Notifications. From here, you'll configure how your clients will be notified of their appointments that were made. From their appointment detail, information about the client's booked appointment, the confirmation request, requesting your customer to confirm their booked appointment, and the appointment reminder, an automatic notification that is sent to remind customers of their appointment. Depending on your business's needs, you can choose to notify your customers using all three notifications, or you can pick and choose what works best for your business and customers' needs. If we choose to use both the confirmation request and appointment reminder, we want to make sure to send the confirmation request before the appointment reminder. From here, we'll continue to configure the rest of our notification settings. To ensure the business is notified of customer bookings, select Send Notifications to Business. Enabling the toggle will send booking notifications to the email listed in the business profile. To notify employees of customer bookings, select Send Notifications to Employee. Enabling this toggle will send booking notifications via email, text, and push notifications to the contact details listed in the employee's profile. After setting appointment notifications, we want to make sure we verify that employees receive customer booking notifications by checking their profiles. Navigate to More, Settings, Employees, and select Employee Profiles. Open the action menu for the desired employee and select Edit Profile. Under Business Notifications, enable email, text, and push notifications as needed. Select Save to apply all changes. Now you've fully configured and completed your notifications and reminders for the business and your employees. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.